Hi, my name is Tendor, and this is a message to the Committee on Enforced Disappearances. One of the most important leaders of Tibet, from a cultural angle, religious angle, is the Panchen Lama, and everyone has been really concerned and sympathetic to the recent unprecedented string of self-immolations happening inside Tibet. And while one of the main reasons behind this is the separation between the Dalai Lama and the Tibetan people, the fact that the Dalai Lama is not allowed to return to Tibet. Another really important, significant reason is the fact that the Panchen Lama has been separated from the Tibetan people. The Panchen Lama has remained abducted and disappeared from the scene since he was 6 years old, and now he's 24 years old. And the fact that the two most important leaders of the Tibetan people, the Dalai Lama and the Panchen Lama, have been forcibly separated from the Tibetan people has everything to do with the reasons why Tibetans are burning themselves alive. And this gaping, this huge, overwhelming spiritual absence that the Tibetan people are feeling right now, because they are not able to directly communicate with and directly learn from the great presence of the Dalai Lama and the Panchen Lama, is directly making an impact on how Tibetans are responding to the repression of the Chinese government. And that's why we urge the Committee on Enforced Disappearances in the United Nations to pressure the Chinese government to release the Panchen Lama and return him to the Tibetan people, because now more than ever the Tibetan people need the spiritual strength and the guidance and the religious strength of our leaders, including both the Dalai Lama and the Panchen Lama. And there is so much that the Committee on Enforced Disappearances can do to pressure the Chinese government to reunite the Panchen Lama with the Tibetan people at this critical time. Thank you.